alone in the mirror, the reflection that shouldn't be. Lena had always avoided the attic, but tonight the storm forced her up there, flashlight trembling in her hand. Dust coated everything, and old mirrors leaned against the walls, reflecting shapes in the shadows. She froze when one mirror didn't reflect her. Instead, a pale woman with hollow eyes stared back. Lena blinked. Nothing changed. A whisper slid from the glass. "Let me out!" Her heart pounded as the woman lifted a hand. Lena's own reflection mimicked the motion, but her mouth didn't move. Panicked, she tried to run, but the floorboards groaned beneath her. Lightning flashed. The mirror cracked. In the jagged splits, dozens of faces appeared, all silent, all desperate. Lena screamed as icy fingers clawed through the broken glass. The next morning, the house was empty. The storm had passed, and the mirrors lay shattered. Neighbours reported hearing whispers, faint and pleading, whenever they walked past the attic window. Inside one mirror, a new reflection lingered. Pale, wide-eyed, trapped, and staring straight at anyone who dared to look.